Building a website for your invitation printing service doesn't have to be expensive and it doesn't have to be complicated either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the Mighty Sites platform for your invitation printing service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, invitation printing service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's start with a few basic details about our invitation printing service business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from. You can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own amazing images of all the beautiful invitations you have created and printed for your customers. Maybe you want to showcase them on your website. Perhaps you don't offer all these services, so you'd like to change the pre-written content as well. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top over here. Pop in my email address for my business. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call, by the way. And physical location, pop it in over here. But if you're an online business, you can leave it off. If you do put a physical location in, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. To change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on that little paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. It's that simple. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your invitation printing service business, click on the update section button. Underneath the update image is where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have that button text on the call to action buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more options of the invitations you're printing and designing. In the last section, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to here, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, it's super easy as well. Click on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain to set it up. If you don't have a custom domain, you can actually click on that button as well to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your invitation printing service. And I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.